The lazy bear. It's spring in the forest. It's warm and sunny, and all the animals are awake, but Bruno the bear is still asleep. Bruno is very lazy. Now it's summer. It's hot and there are lots of flowers. The animals are happy because they love summer. But where's Bruno? Bruno is still asleep. What a lazy bear! In the autumn, the leaves are red, yellow, and orange. The animals are sleepy. They're ready for winter. But where's Bruno? Bruno is still asleep. He doesn't know that it's autumn. Now it's winter and the animals are all asleep in their warm homes. But where's Bruno? Bruno is awake. He's in his garden. What a nice long sleep, he says. Oh no! It's winter. I'm all alone. Bruno isn't happy. He goes back to bed. Now it's spring again. The animals play in the forest. They're very happy. The world is warm and sunny again. But where's Bruno? Bruno, the animals shout. Bruno is awake again. He's happy now. He's hungry, too. He wants his breakfast.